Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So I'm not messing around anymore. I'm not beating around the bush trying to explain, this company or how this works or how that works. Today I'm going to tell you how you can make $100 within 10 minutes just by spreading the word of an awesome company. Like, this is no joke anymore. Like, they are not messing around. I've spent the past, basically close to a year just testing them out, saying, okay, is this good, is that good, are they legit, is it the real deal? Going on 2 years now, I am totally impressed. This company is blowing up like crazy. Like, every time I turn around, there's like a new product or something, an incentive or something, just something to keep them like ahead of the game. And of course, if you guys have watched any of my videos before, you know who I'm talking about. I am talking about LiveGood. LiveGood has done nothing but impress me like this whole time. I don't get into the whole like affiliate programs or trying to promote this, promote that with different supplements, because you just don't know. You just don't know, or you're not sure what's in them or the quality, or most of the time the stuff is so expensive where you feel terrible even trying to promote this stuff. You're like, look, I'm not even gonna spend this much money on this stuff, so why would I ask anybody else? But with that being said, LiveGood is staying strong. Their products are amazing. Of course, I have to show my two addictions right here, my super reds and my super greens. These are the two things that keep me with LiveGood all the way around. They have other stuff too, but these two I can't live without. I just can't. So with that being said, how you can take advantage of better quality supplements with better pricing is to check out the site. Check out the LiveGood site, check out the LiveGood opportunity, take the LiveGood tour, check it out for yourself. Example, a coworker of mine was talking about Super Beats, right? And how expensive it was and all that stuff. And I was like, wait a minute. I said, have you heard of Super Reds by LiveGood? And they're like, no. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, let me tell you about Super Reds, the benefits, the cardio, all that stuff, right? Circulation, cardiovascular health, because that's what they were interested in. He's like, all right, cool. Gave him the site. He ordered it. He loved it. He's like, you know what? Now I'm going to start ordering this every single month. That's just his story. There's so many other stories besides that with other products with LiveGood, or just people taking advantage of the opportunity itself to get the crazy savings. First thing, I urge everybody to take a look at LiveGood's comparisons. How they have the site, they have they'll have super greens and then they'll compare it to Organifi. They'll have super reds and then they'll compare it to super beets, showing you the crazy expensive price of the other ones versus them, and then showing the quality. Like, you can see what is inside of LiveGood's products, and it's not just a whole bunch of just mess where you're like, huh, what is that? I've never even heard of that. They get straight to the point and don't fill their products with a bunch of mess, right? So anyways, back to how you can make $100 within 10 minutes just by getting people to the site. Like, once they see the opportunity themselves, you don't have to do or say anything else. You don't have to chase anybody. You don't have to keep emailing anybody, because I don't. I'm not a bugaboo. I don't like to so-and-so, blah, 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 blah. I tell you about it once. I told you about it. If you're like, nah, cool. If you're like, hey, I want more information, I'm there, right? I'm not steering anybody in the wrong direction. Just like if you tell, your family members or your coworkers or something like that, hopefully they assume that you're reputable and that they trust you and that they know you're not going to steer them in the right direction. I mean, in the wrong direction, my bad. But with that being said, $100, you sit there, you tell 4 people, You tell 4 people about it, they're like, bam, yeah, I want this opportunity. $25 for each sign up that you get, and guaranteed they are not. I haven't, right? Like, it's like I can't think of anyone that has, like, that I know, that is like, you know what, LiveGood isn't worth $10 of my time. You know, it's not worth $10 to me to get these amazing discounts, making money and staying healthy, staying on top of my health at the same time. I can't think of anyone that would logically, you know, think like that. It doesn't make sense to me. But with that being said, I just wanted to let you guys know there is something that you can do that's not going to interfere with your regular job, that's not going to stress you out, that's not going to cause you to have to try and figure out, okay, how you can squeeze a second job into, you know, to make extra money, right? So this is something, like, if you believe in it, which I totally believe in LiveGood. At first, I was like, I don't know, it's one of them affiliate things. I don't get down like that, blah, blah, blah. But they have proved me wrong. And like I said, I'm rocking with them. Hey, as long as I'm living and I need supplements, which is a while, as long as I need supplements, they are going to come. My reds and greens are coming from LiveGood. And again, they are constantly having product launches, new products here, new products there, and they don't just dump out stuff, just dump out trash. Like, it takes a while for them to do the testing, and then they that's the cool thing. Some people get annoyed by that, but I'm like, no, that's cool, because it's showing that they want to put out good stuff. I remember it took them forever to put out the kids gummies, and I'm like, oh my gosh, but they wanted to get it right. They wanted to get it right. I tried them. I don't like gummy stuff. I don't like gummy stuff, and I don't like gummy stuff for my daughter because it kind of defeats the purpose. But again, they take time to push stuff out to make sure that they're not just putting out any old thing. But with that being said, that was a lot of rambling. If you want to check out the LiveGood opportunity, be sure to click the link, take the LiveGood tour, check out the LiveGood product comparisons. That's the thing. That's the thing that gets a lot of people. That's the thing that got me. And like I said, $25 for each sign up you get, right then and there. It's awesome. So I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything else to say besides I'm like totally hype on this company, and yeah, heck, that's it. Be sure to check out 70 Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom and LiveGood opportunity. If you have any questions about LiveGood, please put them in the comments. Send me a message. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. I've been in this almost 2 years now, so not to say I have all the answers, but like I said, I won't steer you in the wrong direction. That's all I got, guys. See you next time. Bye.